Hello friend, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today video is very amazing because we will unbox today a tripod. It's a very good for YouTubers and TikToker. It's especially using YouTubers and TikToker. This tripod is very popular among all tripods. This one too many people using tripod 33A because its load capacity is very good. It can carry load up to 3 kg. Under 3 kg load it will stay in stable condition and it will not shake and not move anywhere. Let's open this one. This is a Chinese brand tripod 33A. You can see here mention some specification. Its maximum height is 53 inches or 1345 mm and its minimum height is 515 mm. Its total weight is 730 gram. It's a 3-way head, built-in level. Also it will show you level so you can see your mobile or your camera in straight position or not, and aluminum leg, quick lever lock. So let's open this one and check inside what they are providing with this box. So we will open this one. So it's in carrying case. Inside is carry case. I will give you this product link in description. I will buy this one from Amazon. You can buy it from AliExpress or Amazon. I will give you both link. Which platform you like, you can buy from that one. And let's talk about its price. It's very cheap. Its price in between $8 to $10. So in $8 to $10 you can buy this tripod. This is our tripod and this is carrying case of this tripod. Let's keep this one side. So this is our tripod. As you can see, this one black and silver color. This tripod material is aluminum and ABS plastic. You can adjust the length of this tripod by open this lock and extend this leg as you like. You can extend how many length you like. 2 lock have 2 length you can adjust. You can see one here and one here. So like this way you can adjust the length of this tripod. I will show you its maximum length in video after. First we will talk about it. Has a moving legs, so it will give you a good balance in unbalanced surface. So if your surface is not straight, so you will put this one so it will stay in balance this tripod. Like this way you can open this tripod. As you can see, this is the minimum position of this tripod. This is moving head of this tripod. You can see here level for indicating you the level of your head. It will show you head level. Bubble in center, it's mean it's straight. If not center, it's mean your head not straight. So we will discuss about its parts and head later on. And one this clamp. Inside the box we found one carrying case, one tripod and one mobile holder. This mobile holder will help you to hold your mobile with this tripod. You can also fix DSLR cameras. This tripod is specially designed for DSLR cameras because its load capacity is very good. They are also giving this extra mobile clip, so you can use this one to hold your mobile as well. You can hold up to 5.5 inches mobile with this mobile stand or mobile clip. I will show you how to hold the mobile. Like this way you can clip your mobile. I will show you later after fix on tripod. This tripod has a ball head which is using 3-way quick release plate. Its leg is 3 section. One section you can open this clip and extend, and other section you can open down clip and can extend. This 3 section of this aluminum legs. And for more length you need to lose this one, this screw of this tripod. After you will move this one so it will come out until maximum length. You can see this is the maximum length of the top leg. So top leg you can extend through this moving lever, but make sure before extending you top leg this screw should be loose, otherwise your tripod will be damaged. So after adjust this tripod you need to tighten this screw so your tripod will stay in steady position, so it will not shake anywhere. I will explain all the position of this ball head. You can see this one 360-degree position. You can move in any position after losing this screw. Any position which one you want to keep, So after that, tight this screw. This is all about the ball head. To move up and down, you need to loose lever after you can move up and down position. So be sure when you are trying to move up and down, your lever should be loose, otherwise it will damage this tripod. So see, I already tied this lever. After I cannot move this one. So moving this one, I need to lose this one. After I can easily move. And this ball head you can move after lose this screw. After, if this screw tight, it will not moving. So move this one in 90 degree or 45 degree, which one you want. You need to lose this screw. After you can move in this 90 degree as well and 45 degree as. So which position you like, you can keep after losing this screw, and when you adjust this one, after tight this one. And this one quick releasing plate, for remove this one you need to unlock this one. This is the lock of quick releasing plate. You unlock this one, after you can easily take upside this one quick releasing plates. After you can fix your DSLR here or your mobile clip or mobile holder also here. So I will show you after fix this mobile clip. For mobile clip you need to backside tight this screw and make sure it's in straight position. After keep in straight position, tight this screw. So I already tied this screw. After I will put back this one. So like this way. Now I can use my mobile, this one mobile holder. And this tripod quick release mounting plate make it easy to remove your camera from the tripod, helping to ensure fast transaction between shoot and quick moving from location to location. When you need quick shoot, you can easily just remove this one, and you can use your mobile also in your hand position. And if DSLR fix here, so you can also just release this quick plate. No need to remove this screw, just release this quick plate. After you can use your DSLR for quick shoots. So this is the trick, nobody tell you this one. And it's a lightweight, easy to store anywhere. You can store anywhere. After close this one, when your work finish, after you easily keep any position. Like this way you can keep in minimum position, so you can keep anywhere, or you can keep in this tripod casing. I already tell you all settings of this tripod. Let's I show you its full length. Hope you understand the all adjustment and setting of this tripod. So as you can see, this is the maximum length of downside legs. By center leg you can extend it more, so it will become a 53 inches maximum length or 1345 mm maximum length. So I will show you its center leg also. So guys, as you can see, I extended my tripod in maximum position. So this is the maximum position of this tripod, and this position is enough for anything, for any use. You no need more to extend this one. Like this way you can adjust the angle of your mobile phone. By losing this lever you can adjust the angle of your cell phone. After you will tight this one, and for 360 degree rotation you need to lose this screw. After you can move in any position like this way. After positioning you should tight this screw, so it will steady position, it will stay in a steady position. For rotation of this you need to just lose this screw, and you want vertically move your mobile, so you can adjust vertically. If you need to adjust horizontally your mobile, so you need adjust horizontally after losing and tightening this screw. So this is the 3-way ball head. For quick access you just need to push this lock, and after easily remove your mobile or your DSLR. Again, if you want to release your center leg, you need to lose this screw and move on this position. So like this way you can use this tripod. This one very good for YouTuber and TikTokers. Mostly YouTubers using this tripod for shooting their videos, because this tripod is very popular among all tripods. If you like this tripod, I will give you link in description. Check out description below and buy from Amazon or AliExpress. Both link I will give you in description. So hope you like the video guys. If you like, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friend, and keep supporting guys. See you next video. Take care. Bye.